Welcome back to DevRiftLab. This is the podcast where we dive headfirst into the exciting universe of programming, technology, and building a fulfilling career in software. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey, from complete beginner to pro developer status. And I'm thrilled to have with me Daniel, our full-stack engineer and mentor extraordinaire.
Wow, that sounds amazing. So where do we even start with this huge leap?
The first big takeaway: don't get too hung up on the financial rewards when you're just starting out. It's like chasing a mirage in the desert. Tempting, but ultimately unfulfilling. Focus on curiosity and that delightful love for problem solving instead. It's crucial for your growth in this field.
That makes sense. But how does one even choose a language to start with? I've heard so many options.
Great question. Let's say you're building a treehouse. You wouldn't use random tools, right? You'd want the right tools for the job. Similarly, pick a language that aligns with your interests. If you're into data, Python is fantastic. It's like a Swiss Army knife for data analysis. But if web development is your thing, then JavaScript is your go-to. It turns static pages into interactive experiences.
Oh wow, Swiss Army knife, I love that. So, what if I want to study web development but absolutely abhor math? Does that mean I should stick with JavaScript?
Exactly. Don't sweat the math now. You'll pick up those concepts as you go. The key is to work on projects that resonate with you. Passion fuels your journey. And let's not forget consistency. Think of it like training for a marathon. You wouldn't run once a month and expect to finish the race, right?
Laughs. No, that would definitely lead to some serious muscle cramping, right? So, once you've built a few projects, how do you transition from being a beginner to, like, a junior developer?
Great shifting gears. First off, you need to tackle version control systems like Git. Think of it as a time machine for your code. Ever wish you could fix that one bug from last week? Boom! With version control, you can do just that. You also need to understand how the web works. Imagine how a restaurant operates. The front end is like the waitstaff, and the back end is like the kitchen staff. Clear communication is key.
Ooh, that's a great analogy. And speaking of communication, how essential is that when you're looking for a job?
Oh, it's absolutely vital. Employers are looking for curiosity and quick learning ability. They want developers who ask questions, not just those who know how to regurgitate code. So when aiming for that junior role, don't hesitate to seek feedback and engage with others.
So it's kind of like being in a band, right? You need to harmonize with your teammates. Otherwise, it all just sounds like chaos.
Exactly. As you progress to mid-level positions, start stepping away from simply chasing tutorials. Begin reading documentation. It's like the instruction manual for your coding language. Trust me, it's more beneficial than you might think. And a quick side note, practicing clean code and testing is crucial. You want your code to run like a well-tuned engine, not a clunky vehicle that breaks down every few miles.
Oh, that's a fantastic way to look at it. So, for those who make it to senior developer status, what does that really mean?
Good question. Senior developers own their outcomes. They're solution-driven while effectively communicating with others. It's like being the captain of a ship. When storms arise, they need to stay calm and guide their crew to safety. And sharing knowledge? It opens doors and amplifies expertise.
Wow, that's really inspiring. But what if someone prefers the technical side and doesn't want the leadership role?
Totally valid. There are paths like staff engineer or principal engineer. You can contribute at a high level while staying in the technical trenches. It's like being a master chef, creating exquisite dishes without having to manage the restaurant.
That sounds delicious. But can you summarize some advice for all the levels?
Absolutely. Here's a quick rundown. Beginners, code a little every day. Juniors, communicate often and seek feedback. Mid-level developers should focus on a specific tech stack. Depth is more valuable than breadth. Seniors, share your journey by mentoring or writing. Tech leads should empower their teams and listen more than they speak. And above all, never stop learning. The tech world changes at breakneck speed, and curiosity is your greatest asset.
Wow. So to wrap it all up, your coding journey is about growth and community, not competition. I love that. It ties back to focusing on your own path instead of measuring against others, right?
Absolutely. This journey is deeply personal, and we're all climbing our own mountains. Thank you for joining us today, everyone. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and share it with your fellow coding enthusiasts. Keep coding, and most importantly, keep pushing your limits.
Yes, let's keep learning together. I can't wait for the next episode.